If you're in the city of Montreal this summer, I invite you to visit Nalie's mural. Nalie was my sister and a cancer thriver who touched the lives of millions of people through her books, her motivational speeches, and her hundreds of videos online. We commissioned the most talented artist in the country, Jasnine Designs, who does incredible portraits, and she agreed to immortalize Nalie on one of her walls in the city of Montreal, close to where Nalie studied. I had the opportunity to watch Jazz do the whole process from scratch, and it was incredible. Seeing Nalie come back to life spray by spray was a surreal and emotional feeling. Nalie was a queen in this city, country, and the entire world, and now she gets to be an angel gracing the walls of this city. If it wasn't for her, I would not be doing what I'm doing today. She really inspired me to help people in their journeys just as she did. And if ever you walk by this wall or stumble upon one of her videos online or read her book, I hope you're reminded to be kind to one another, to be kind to yourself, and to love without barriers, just as she did. As hard as it is, we're just so very proud of everything that she's accomplished, and her name is going to continue to live on. She had a mission, and her mission was to touch people and help people. Everything that she's left behind, her book, The Diary of Nalie, continues to inspire and help people, and I want to see that. And I'm going to do everything that I can with my voice and with my platform to continue her legacy.